have the Kymron running back up again. Fired up, digging some trenches. Gonna do an 8-inch drain pipe going on that one. Be digging up, following back to a big drain there in the back for one of the gutters that they're gonna put. They're gonna tie in a couple gutters and have a big influx of water. This guy will get it out. She's still running. Big stuff after all the other issues we've had. Now she's seems to be okay. Look at that, scoops it all up easy. Slow, she's not too shaky. The operator that's on there now is a little bit newer with this machine, so he's taking it gently. These are some cables unmarked and they're gone now, so he might be a little shy with the bucket right now, but otherwise it's doing good. Pulls up little roots, you don't even feel them. There could only be a way to just go on and have that bucket clean itself. A lot of this clay stuff and everything decides to stick to it. He's setting himself up straight right now to try to throw this as straight as we can for those pipes. That dirt just gets stuck on that bucket, so can't have it all. At least it's got a little hole in the back that maybe you can stick in there and poke some of that stuff out. Well, it digs through those roots with ease. Like it's nothing. Running pretty good, pretty clean. Doesn't use too much fuel either for what it does. We'll have this thing in and ready by lunchtime and we'll be all right. to get that grading bucket that we got, again, from Dozer Stuff. Josh over there ended up making a custom one for us to put on the machine here, give us a little bit wider platform, help us grade a little bit more, but at the same time be light enough to where the machine is not going to feel it too bad. So that's going to be nice to be using. We'll get another video of that one coming. And if you guys like that bucket, I'm sure he has all the measurements. We'll line up all the pinholes, make sure they line up just right, and get it thrown on there. Back over that and clean it up a bit. The only thing I don't like is that those tracks seem to sink in there a little bit too much. You got like too much of a hang, but we'll mess with that later. And the tracks seem a little soft too, so who knows. Hopefully we don't got to replace them too soon, because those things, I imagine now with all the expenses and stuff, is going to be pricey. But overall, she's still working and performing there for us, so that's good. Alrighty, let me help these guys out and then we'll load back up and get another video of the Kymron. Alright, we'll see you here in a bit. Let me help these guys out. Keep going. So here it is at the end of the day. This is what the little Kymron did. Ended up having to go get some material piping. We're out 60 feet down to a dry catch with a big catch basin so that the outside water can also drip in. We'll connect into one of those gutters up there, cut the concrete, and that'll go through, and then tomorrow we'll be coming back and sealing that guy up. So this little thing helped out quite a bit. Like I said, this is the small things we do with it. Do a little excavating and such, trenching, little small things, and then when we do get a chance, we do some grading for patios and things like that. So we're gonna check out right now. We'll come back tomorrow, see if we use it a little bit more. We'll see you then. Till next time, Beyond Machinery out. Alrighty, so we are finishing up here at the job, and Kymron ended up helping us do everything that we needed to do. Digging this dry basin out and everything, putting in a collection box, and at the same time filling that with river rock, so that any water that does collect in the area does filter back in and goes into the bottom of the lawn. So we'll pause it here. I'll show you what it looks like now. This the instructions for this homework were to leave the dirt, the remaining dirt, all of it, she wants it on top of where the pipe went. So I'll put a little video of it there, and you guys will see what that looks like here shortly. This is where we left off. So there's a dry collection box. We were going to cover that, make it soil, but homeowner was okay with that. That's what she preferred. And so that's checks out. There's the dirt. All of this was pushed back on with the Kymron using the bucket. I wish I would have had a flat bucket, but I didn't, so we had to use a tooth blade, and then the front blade, you can see the tracks, just to push that dirt up into the middle section. Easy peasy. Hour made quick work of that. So there we are. We'll be on to the next one. Like I said, we'll get a couple more videos of it. We have it loaded up over there on the trailer, so from then on we'll be all right putting up some more videos. Anything you guys want to see in specific, I'm just cleaning up some dirt here that we left over here on the side. Anything you guys want to see specifically, let me know. More than happy to try to get more videos of that. We'll have a driveway demo here coming up soon that we'll be using that Kymron for, and got some stuff in the backyard of our shop that we got to do. So as always, thank you for checking in. See you guys, and don't forget to check out Dozer stuff. Thank you for checking in. This is Beyond Machinery out.